Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to give an example of each type of function. So I'm just going to go through all of these, and I'm going to use the variables, probably the most common variables used, x and y. And I'm going to keep it as simple as possible. I'm not going to use any coefficients or addition that we don't need. And we're just going to go through the types of problems, or the types of functions. So a linear function means that we just have y is equal to x. And a power function is y equals x to some power, let's say 4. So the linear function is just a power function where the exponent is 1. C, an exponential function, you can think of it as the opposite of the power function, y equals 4 to the x. A quadratic function is a power function where the highest exponent is 2. A polynomial of degree 5 is the combination of different power functions, and the degree is the highest exponent. So this is a polynomial of degree 2. This is a polynomial of degree 4, degree 1. So the simplest one is x to the 5th. And a rational function is the division of two polynomials. So y equals x to the 5th over x plus 2. Had to add a little bit here because otherwise you'd just be able to divide the x out. But for any of these, you could add 2, just as an example, and it doesn't change the type of function that we're dealing with. The thing that matters is the term within these functions that determines the values the most. Right? So x to the 4th and 4 to the x produce different values. Adding 2 on the end doesn't change the type of function that we're dealing with. But these are some examples of the basic types of functions that we deal with in this course in as simple terms as I could put them.